If you have an older tile roof, you're probably getting into the point where you're having some maintenance issues. What you're gonna see is most concrete tile roofs, they have organic felt or underlayment underneath there. And unfortunately, that underlayment only has a lifespan of 15 to 20, 25 years. So what you have is a concrete tile roof that might last 50, 60, 70 years, but the part that's actually keeping it from leaking, the underlayment beneath it, is actually starting to deteriorate, and that's what can cause a leak. So to help prevent this, a lot of the things you're gonna be wanting to do is you wanna have regular inspections. You're wanting to get all the debris off of your roof, especially if you have large mature trees around. You're gonna wanna get the leaves, the acorns, all that stuff off your roof so that it doesn't prevent any damming. So when concrete roofs are installed, most of them are installed on batten boards. And you'll see what happens is this lays directly onto the roof deck. And about maybe 15, 20 years ago, they started putting these spacers on. And these spacers are great because if you think about it, if you eliminated all these spacers on there, the concrete tile roofs allow water through them, and the water is not allowed into your home because of the underlayment system underneath it. And so in a lot of the older concrete tile roofs, we'll see battens that don't have these risers that prevent water from flowing through. And as this rots, because the water is not flowing through, it holds water behind it. What it'll do is wherever those nails were securing this batten board without the risers, like this, onto the deck, there'll be leaks wherever these batten boards are. The areas we see most likely to leak on a concrete tile roof are the valleys. So at the end of each valley, or where it terminates at typically the eave, or it can be onto another roof plane, there needs to be a lead flashing at the end. And a lot of times you'll see that this lead flashing either wasn't installed or was improperly installed. And so we fix, tons of leaks every year on old concrete tile roofs at the end of the valleys because they didn't have the proper lead flashing installed at all, or it was improperly installed the first time. If you had a concrete tile roof that was installed prior to 2010, you likely have a situation where you may not have had elevated battens, or you had organic felt. That might be creating a situation where you have a chance for leaks. And it's really important that if you have a concrete tile roof installed prior to 2010, you're taking care of it, you're getting all the debris off. So it's really important to deal with a contractor that is experienced with concrete tile roofs. If you're having any issues with your concrete tile roof or just would like somebody to come take a look at it, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rhoden Roofing today.